These evergreen viral AI Roblox videos are taking over social media right now, and this YouTube channel has already gained over 1.75 million subscribers by posting this exact style of content. What's even crazier is that many of their videos have already reached millions of views, and they're still growing every single day. The best part is that these videos look like they took hours to create, but you can actually make them with AI in just a couple of minutes. Now watch what I personally created with AI in just 2 minutes.
The tracks are glowing! Something is coming! There's no driver!
Should we get on?
The seats moved! This train is magic!
Solve the puzzle. Let's do it!
It worked!
The door opened!
Was it real?
The whistle says yes.
The storytelling, smooth animations, and consistent characters make these videos incredibly engaging and perfect for YouTube Shorts. So without wasting a single second, let me show you how you can create these videos for completely free. First, copy this full prompt that I've provided in the description. After that, head over to ChatGPT, paste the prompt, and hit enter. It will ask you to choose your story mode. Simply select any one you like and type its serial number. Within a few seconds, ChatGPT will generate a complete story with detailed prompts for every single scene. And the best part is, whenever you want a brand new story, simply type next, and it will instantly generate another one. Once you've found your favorite story, copy the prompt for scene 1 and head over to Google Flow. Here, select the video option and then choose Omni Flash as your video model, along with your other desired settings. Paste the prompt and click Generate. Within just a few seconds, your Scene 1 video will be ready. Now for Scene 2, you have 2 options to maintain perfect consistency throughout the entire video. Method 1. Move your cursor over the first video, click the 3 dots and select Add to Prompt. Now copy the Scene 2 prompt from ChatGPT, paste it there, and click Generate. Method 2. Open your first video. Go to the last frame and click Save Frame. Then go back, open the saved frame, click the 3 dots, choose Animate, paste your Scene 2 prompt, and generate. Simply repeat the same process for every remaining scene to maintain character consistency. Now let's watch the result together.
The tracks are glowing!
Something is coming!
There's no driver!
Should we get on?
The seats moved! This train is magic!
Solve the puzzle. Let's do it!
It worked!
The door opened!
Was it real?
The whistle says yes.
And that's literally the complete process. Using the same workflow, you can generate unlimited Roblox stories while keeping your characters consistent from the first scene to the last. So that's the complete method. Subscribe to the channel right now so you never miss out on the next viral AI niche the moment it drops.